In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Tools pane in Adobe Acrobat Reader. This can be a great way to declutter your workspace and make reading PDFs a more seamless experience. Let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is open a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you have your document open, turn your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a series of options. The one we're interested in today is labeled View. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, hover over Show Hide. This will expand another list of options. You should see Tools pane listed there, or a similar option depending on your version. This is the area that often takes up valuable space on the right side of your document view. To hide this pane, simply uncheck the Tools pane option. Just like that, it should collapse, giving you a cleaner view of your document. But we're not quite done yet. If you want Acrobat Reader to remember this setting even when you open new PDFs, there's an additional step to complete. Go back up to the menu bar. This time, click on Edit if you're using a Windows machine. If you're on a Mac, you'll want to click Acrobat and then Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Click on Documents. Now, look to the right for an option that says, Remember last state of all tools pane when opening documents. Go ahead and check this box. Checking this box ensures that Acrobat Reader will maintain the tools pane's current hidden or visible status the next time you open a document. This can really streamline your workflow if you frequently find the tools pane more of a distraction than a help. Once you've selected the checkbox, click OK to save your changes and exit the Preferences menu. Now, to make sure everything's set up correctly, let's do a quick check. Close Adobe Acrobat Reader, then reopen it with another PDF document. By doing this, you can verify that the Tools pane remains hidden, just as you left it. If it does, you've successfully decluttered your Adobe Acrobat Reader interface, making it even easier to focus on your document content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've managed to simplify your PDF viewing experience. Hopefully, this helps you get more out of Adobe Acrobat Reader without unnecessary distractions. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.